Hello, hola, привет. You might be wondering why I'm saying hello in multiple languages. Well, we have a new edition of Promo List Ninja Business Edition, and it is available in multiple languages. So here it is in English. Here is the same page in Spanish, 100% in Spanish, even through to the buy button and all the information on the back end to make your purchase. And here it is in Russian. So the same thing, all the way, everything 100% in Russian. The only thing that is not being changed over, and this would be a process for everyone to do on their own, would be to change the share with your friends button by uploading your own image for those individual pages. So that's the newest version of Promo List Ninja Business Edition. It's only available, the multi-language capability is only available on Promo List Ninja Business, but everything is available in the back end to change. You'll see in the application itself. Let's go over to the Spanish one. While I do speak both Spanish and my Russian is marginal, it's a lot easier for me to read and translate from Spanish to, oops, that was the English one. From Spanish into English versus Russian English. So, there we go. So basically you'll put your description in here, and then you'll see that inside the promo details, this will be your heading and your details for shipping, your sizing label, all your product information. So you'll put the label. Let's go back over to this page here. So this product label is what's over on the other side. And then here's the size information in the back end. And then you have an option to change out the text on the buy button. And you also have an option to, let me move this over here. You also have an option in here to change out the campaign ended button, which should show up if you're running a date-based campaign. And it would show, and you didn't have a redirect URL. And then you'll see the goal text here, which shows up down here. So this is what's being sold so far, and here's what the goal is, and this is changing of the text. And you can change this text inside, then the when you're going to ship their order, the contact information, and we did actually make this a label so that you can change this to whatever you want, obviously. Here's the content that goes on that page. And then if we go and we open up the menu here, you will be able to change your size. The top here, which is select your size, but you can put whatever text you want in there. Size, your product name. This is the product name inside the, the product label. The product name, which is inside the admin area. The cost for shipping label shows up here. The button is changeable in the back end. Here is your discount text if you're setting up Promo List Ninja with the shipping to give a discount when they order more than one. Obviously, name, email address, first name, last name, email address, pay now or checkout, and then notifications. And then there's one additional field we recently added, and that was for PayPal needed an extra few seconds to process a transaction. And so we added one more piece of text in here, and that is, where'd it go? Oh, here it is, the success order message. So the success order message needs to be filled in, and what's going to happen is when people make the purchase on PayPal, it's going to flash up this message and then their transaction ID. It's about a second and a half, and then that's what PayPal needs to be able to process a transaction. And then they'll send people straight through to whatever your PayPal return URL is. And if you don't have a PayPal return URL, just like before, people will be redelivered back to this original campaign page. So that concludes the changes in Promo List Ninja Business Edition, and I believe this is version 3.1.5 And this will be available early next week. We have one little minor tweak we have to make to the admin area before we make it live. One quick note, we have only tested the multi-language capability with left to right languages. We haven't tested it with any of the right to left languages like Arabic. The other thing we haven't tested is we have not tested any languages with kanji characters like Japanese or Mandarin or Cantonese. So those were still unknown to us since it's not in our wheelhouse. So thanks again for being a Ninja Web Tools customer, and we hope you enjoyed the changes to Promo List Ninja Biz. And once again, our web address is ninjawebtools.com, and you can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ninjawebtools. Thanks again, have a great day, and best success with Promo List Ninja.